Now a sequence of letters are given like this, A to Z, and then from Y to A, and then B to Z, and again from Y to A, like this. So if you observe it, there is a cycle repeating in this. So first A to Z, all 26 letters are there present here, and then from Y to A, 25 letters are present here, and then again B to Z, again 25 letters are present here. Now if you observe this entire 50 letters are again going to repeat in this, and this is going to happen over and again, right? Now if this is the case, they are asking us in this sequence, if you are going to count this one as the first one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 26, now what is the letter that occupies the 1000th position in the above? Are you getting this? So this letter is occupying the first position, second position, third position, fourth position, 25th position, 26th position. Likewise, if you go on counting, which letter are you going to find in the 1000th position? So that is being asked. Now how to solve this one is, now definitely these are going to take away first 26 positions, right? So now from here, if you count, if you start counting from 1, our required 1000th position will be actually 1000 minus 26. Are you getting this? Let us say somewhere we have 1000 letters somewhere here, okay? If I start counting them from the beginning, that is 1000, but then if I start counting it from here by skipping the first 26, it will simply be 1000 minus 26 position. Therefore, if you are going to start from here, right, you are going to search for 1000 minus 26 position. So this is going to be 974th position, right? So you are supposed to find out the letter which is at 974th position. Okay, now in order to find it out, you can use something here. See this here, every cycle, this is going to contain 50 characters, and these 50 characters are repeating over and again. Now you try to pull out all these 50 characters, right? So what I mean to say is, you can write this one as 976 is some 50 into some number x plus extra will be, are you getting it? In 900 you are going to have, some number of 50s, right? 18 number of 50s, and then in 50 you are going to have one more 50, which means I could write it as this number as 50 into 19, right, plus let us say 24. Got it? Now what happens is, these 90, all these 19 times, if you remove these sequences, then finally we are going to again count from the beginning of a sequence to 24th, and that is going to be our 1000. Are you getting this? So what I mean to say is, initially there are 26 characters A to Z, and after that there are a sequence of 50 characters which are going to repeat over and again. Now if I start counting from here, 1 2 3 so on, now by having these blocks of 50s, by the end of it, so whatever I get here, if I start counting from here, wherever this 24th character is, or the 24th letter is, that is actually 1000th letter from the beginning, right? So what I mean to say is, if you had started counting from the beginning, and if you had counted the first 26 and then the 19 times these 50 letters, and if you end it here, then our 1000 character from the beginning, or the 1000 letter from the beginning, will be 24th letter from the next block, in the next 50 block. Got it? So what is the 24th in this? So this is totally, it is containing 25, which means this is 25th and it is 24th. Therefore the answer is B. So B is the required letter. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs universities better than IITs. They have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%. But all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science or for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.